This isn't a truck cab, it's a penthouse on wheels. The DAF XG Plus is Europe's biggest, most luxurious truck with a cab so spacious, it actually changed European Union laws to exist. It's powered by a Packer MX-13 engine with up to 530 horsepower and designed for maximum aerodynamics and fuel savings on long hauls. Inside, you get a flat floor, full standing height, a premium bed, 17 storage lockers, ambient lighting, and even a reclining driver's seat. The XG Plus isn't just big, it's next-level European trucking. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We may never see each other again.